quick, Shea, before we let you go. Give us 3 things that business owners need to be coming to the bank with in their hand, prepared before they start asking for money.
Good. That's good.
That's real good. I think they need to understand. Here's 3 things they need to understand. Maybe not bring to the bank, but understand this. You need to have good quality financials. So that means they need to have a quality CPA, and get a CPA, not brother, mother, sister, cousin, not the person at the barbershop, right? We having a family talk, so we know that goes on. It's family talk.
You're absolutely right.
Yeah. Okay. My barber tried to sell me a mortgage when I first got out of school. I said, I don't think it's supposed to be like that. I don't think, no. Before the mortgage crash, of course, but we got to talk about it. So a quality relationship with a CPA, and Atlanta Black Chambers is a place I would tell people to go look for that, because serious-minded CPAs are associated with the chamber. So that's part one. An understanding of where you're at credit-wise, and an understanding the credit score. If the credit score is even if the credit score is low, still come have a conversation.
What do you consider low? What's that number? What's that magic number?
I would say it's a credit profile thing. So it's not a number, because it's more so a credit profile. So if you've had some derogatory, some charge-off, things of that nature, that's going to impact the profile, because you can have a 700 credit score and be fresh out of bankruptcy, and you still that's still going to impact you in a negative way in that process. But if you're feeling shaky about the credit, be honest about it. That's what I'm here for. I'm here to sit down, and I'm here to connect you and get that. And then last but not least, so we got the CPA, understanding the credit, and then I think last but not least, just the understanding of your business and your industry, and being able to articulate that to a lender. That really helps. And so having those 3 kind of understandings, I would say are the beginning points of the conversation. Understand this, and that's why I used to train bankers about this. Whether it's a no, yes, or maybe, regardless, that's the beginning point of the conversation relationship. I can't tell you how many times, I took an owner out last night, and his brother, he listens to everything I say, and I asked him, you never push back on anything. And he's like, well, you helped my brother out. And his brother couldn't even get a credit card a couple of years ago. Now he has over $1 million worth of lending with Chase, and is with our top with some of our top bankers. So, and it started from 2 turn downs. So being able to understand that whether you get a yes, no, or maybe, don't take your ball and go home. Lean in, so we can figure out how do we go from a no to a yes, or not right now to a yes, and how do we bring in other community partners to help fill in that gap point while we're getting bank ready.